Hey there! Welcome to the channel. I'm TechMephis, and in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to download and install Spotify on your Windows PC. First, open your browser and go to Spotify.com. Once the site loads, just click on the Download Directly from Spotify button, and the installer will start downloading. When it's done, open the downloaded file. You'll usually find it in your Downloads folder. A setup window will pop up. Just follow the on-screen instructions to install Spotify. After it installs, Spotify will launch automatically. Now you can log in with your existing account or sign up if you're new. That's it. You're ready to start streaming your favorite songs and podcasts. If this tutorial helped, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to TechMephis for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching.